So as of right now, you probably can't hear it, but they're sending repetitive frequencies, rhythmic frequencies. It's like, and they're doing it over and over and over again while I'm trying to study. Um, they don't want me to study because they never wanted me to get my degree in the first place. Um, that's what they've been just yelling for the past few months. They've been interrupting me during my exams, and they're still sending the frequencies and the noises. So it gets quiet when you start recording, but I have other videos showing everything that with everything they're doing. Even a video of them announcing via a microwave frequency that it is V2K and it is what's the skull technology. They were claiming it's the Ku Klux Klan, but I don't care who it is. Someone higher than me in the government is doing this to millions of people around the world, and those people are called targeted individuals.